Here we go, everyone! La la la!
Anche Tappalina!
Luigi, Guido, che bello rivedervi! Bentornati!
Mater, let's go! You're on!
It's back home, but it tastes so good!
It's organic, man!
Tree hugger.
I'm Mate's girlfriend. It's so nice to meet you all.
Guido believe you now?
Dynamics and next gen.
For the better if it means my old pal Lightning is down for the count. Am I right, sir?
Hot snot, we are back in business. Guido, Luigi, you're going up against professional pit crews, boy.
Boy.
Who's HUD? Oh.
Hey!
Why don't you and I take a drive and talk? Billionaire to billionaire.
Over here!
Don't worry, Mama! My queen is very sad. I will...
Thanks, guys.
Nice paint, kiddo!
Lightning Dragon McQueen!
I'll take care of this. Dragon style!
Thank you, dear. I'd love to.
No.
Lizzie?
I remember when Stan...
Hey, Bill Lord!
That, folks, Francesco's lead is left in the dust.
Nice call, Peter.
name's Mater.
Mater?
Yeah, like Tomica.
No, you can't do that!
Hey, did I ever tell you how much I love your mudflap?
Out of my way, Bumpkin.
Doggone it, this is about my hook, ain't it? I know I should have checked it, but I can't fish.
Always in the second place spot, we find Chick Hicks. He's been chasing that tailfin his entire career.
Pretty good on me.
I'll say. Ka-chow.
¿Te gusta nuestra tierra?
La radial. Toma, te doy las de nieve. ¡Mate! Entonces estos...
Clear the way.
Morning, champ. How's our living legend today?
Still very much alive.
To a shark! Are you kidding me?
Easy, Tombe. This is her first field assignment.
I never liked new Cosmere.
McQueen must be killed.
No!